Oh, a hamburger.
It's just like hamburger.
Since you can't decide between turkey dog and hamburger,
I
you
got
get
a
sardines.
hamburger.
Oh, I eat sardines too.
Oh,
But Chandler,
Something.
I don't like-
Something else.
Here.
Sardines.
Chandler, I don't like sardines.
Oh man, I want watermelon.
Yeah, that's what I want.
No, I want watermelon.
Trey.
No,
Give me some hot sauce.
Noah, I want
Noah.
you. Yeah, I want one.
Noah.
Thank you. Here, you can give that to Mom. She can have sardines.
Here, I'm through with
I
these.
don't want sardines.
It's from my dinner.
Oh, Mom.
For your dinner?
Remy was eating my hamburger. What? Remy.
Here, I'm through with mine.
Noah.
He's eating my hamburger.
Here, I ate it already. Thank you.
Yep,
That was
I made
good.
mine. That was good. Thank you for making
Do
one.
you have any
You
salt
already took mine.
for the watermelon? Do you have any salt?
Yeah, I haven't even salt anymore.
Salt. All
I
right.
don't have any salt.
Oh no! I
You
don't
better
like
go to the
watermelon
store.
without
You guess you
salt.
better go to the store. Get some salt.
Give it
What
back
do
to
you think?
Mama. I don't want it without salt.
Do you have any popcorn?
I don't want it.
Do you have any popcorn?
Yeah, I haven't even popcorn somewhere.
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 Do you have to cook it?
Yeah, I gotta cook popcorn.
Okay.
It's going to be really hot.
Oh, do
Really, really hot. All right.
Is it gonna go pop, pop, pop?
Yeah, pop. And now it's done.
That was magical.
Is it ready? Thank you. Oh, look.
Okay. I want to come by and say hi.
Oh,
We're going to
smell.
Lifetime.
Smell like
Smell.
pop.
Okay, it's going to the gym.
We're going to work out.